Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Google Keyword Planner. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of browser on your PC and search for Google Ads Manager. Make sure that your account is logged in. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, hover your cursor on the Tools section in the left side menu and select Keyword Planner. Select Discover New Keywords and choose the location based on your preference. Then enter the keyword you would like to plan and click on Get Results. The results are then displayed in front of you. From here, all of the similar titles that are being searched will be listed. You can also filter the desired result based on these filters present in the right side menu. So that's how you can use Google Keyword Planner. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.